Okay.
Yeah, can we go back to our screen?
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah. So did you get the difference? Like when we are seeing the attributes, by seeing the checkboxes, we can identify we are in the app level or not.
Right.
Yeah, and one more thing we were talking is like when we are at the suppose we are assuming that we are in the all product families level, uh,
Mm-hmm.
as we are seeing the level names which are less than uh, like children level names. So that
Mm-hmm.
means we are in the wrong level. If we are assuming all products, so then we shouldn't see model attributes here
I don't know.
because children elements of the children are
Mm-hmm.
won't accessible at the parent level. Elements at the parent level are only accessible at the children level.
Okay.
Yeah,
The parent level should be accessible at the model level, but model level should not be accessible at a parent level. You mean to say?
yeah.
Okay.
It's not only for models; it can be against parent product lines and product families as well. It's
Yeah.
also against all product families level and product family level as well.
Yeah. Product families.
Yeah. Yeah. So now for our use case, let's create a couple of attributes. We can simply create as non-array attributes
Mm-hmm.
like sofa dimensions and TV set dimensions. We can create them as text fields for now.
Okay. Text field and text split. Okay.
We can put some hyphen sofa or hyphen TV set because one more attribute we will create. Yeah. Yeah. Please remove hyphen. You can use underscore.
Okay. So, but
Yeah.
here while defining, we don't have a any level, right? Level of where we are defining, like.
It is there. Go back. No, we can't choose the level, but wherever we are creating, that itself will decide the level of the attribute hierarchy
Acha.
of that. Yeah.
Okay.
So now if you observe in the top right side page, it is showing model. You are in the model level. Where that model is, it is there in the product family of furniture world and the product
Mm-hmm.
line of indoor and model called living.
Living. Okay. Right.
So it is
Yeah.
showing the model path.
Got it.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got it.
Yeah. Let's click on update and new and let's create our other attribute as well for TV set dimensions.
Okay. Yeah. We created two.
Yeah. So we need to put them on this on the layout, right? Before
Mm.
that, let's put it. Let's keep it on the layout for now. Deployment will do later. So for now,
Mm-hmm.
let's put these on the layout. Yeah, let's deploy also because before creating a rule, how it should be on the UI, you will see.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's
Mm.
search for our attributes. Put it at the bottom. or yeah, before the after the first attribute, that will be meaningful. Yeah. Yep. So now, yeah, we clicked on save, and then
Then we have to deploy it
yes, deploy where?
at the product family level.
Yes. Isn't working? Yeah. Let's go from that beginning. Yeah. Yeah. Once it is deployed, wait. Let's do
Mm.
one thing here. Because here we can see a lot of records, so it will be difficult. Like it gets increased more. We need to scroll down. So simply select all and delete them. Yeah.
Okay. Start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we can see our drop down and respective dimension attributes as well. For example, if user want to buy sofa, then do we need to show TV set dimensions attribute?
No, it's not required.
Yeah. Similarly, if he selects TV set, we don't need to show sofa dimensions as well.
Correct.
Yeah. For this, like ultimately what we are doing, we are getting
One.
into a use case where we need to show one attribute and hide other attribute.
Right.
This kind of thing we can achieve with the help of hiding rule in our tool. So let's create that hiding rule. We should go to the same level where the attributes were created. Okay, product line.
Yeah.
Okay, model. Yeah. No, we don't need to open attributes. Let's just get back. So in
Yeah.
the model level, so we created attributes. Now we need to go for hiding rule. Nothing but hiding attributes. Yeah, there will be nothing here. Let's create a new rule. Yeah, give some name. Hide dimensions or something like that. Or we'll put some more precise name. Hide sofa dimensions in the role name also, because we will be creating one more role for TV set as well. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, this rule, our intention is to hide some attribute basing on some value of another attribute. So
Mm.
this rule can't be run always true. If the rule is always true, it means every time it will hide, right?
Right. Right.
So it shouldn't be the case. We want to hide something basing on some other value, not all the time. So that's why we don't need always true condition. We want simple condition.
Okay.
Let's think about advanced condition later. Okay.
Mm.
So here, simple condition, we need to click add row here. This clicking on add row will allow us to write some condition. Here, in the attribute column, you can choose our attribute. So for this use case, we are dependent on which attribute?
We are dependent on the TV unit. No. What is the attribute name is here? Uh, living room furniture items.
Yes. Let's search for the same attribute.
Living room furniture item.
Yes. So if this attribute is having the value as sofa, then we
Mm.
need to hide sofa dimensions attribute, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, if it is not having sofa, don't
Okay.
put value type as attribute. Let's go with a static value.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, because in our condition we are about to write living. This see intention of this rule is to hide something. It can't show
Right.
something. Okay.
Right.
Ultimately, this rule need to hide something at any point of time.
Right.
If the condition met, it will hide. If the condition won't met, it won't do anything. Simply, it will
Mm.
be idle
Okay.
if the condition doesn't met. So, what we should do if some condition met, we need to hide something. So,
Mm-hmm.
our rule we are talking the rule name as hiding sofa dimensions. Okay. So,
Mm.
forget the condition. Let's come to the action part. So, click on the green button. Yeah. So, what did we write as the rule name? Hide sofa dimensions, right?
Mm.
That
Right.
means
So
we
for
want to
diamond.
hide sofa dimensions attribute. So let's search for that. Yeah, click on add. Yeah. So for the rule name, what we did hide sofa dimensions. The same we did in the action part as well.
Mm-hmm.
We selected the sofa dimensions attribute and we are asking
Mm.
it to hide this rule. But when this rule should hide the sofa dimensions, that we should put in the simple condition. So
This
what
this
should be the
condition,
condition here?
the condition is like when the living furniture equals to sofa.
Is this correct?
No, equals to sofa is correct. Sofa, then we have to hide the TV unit basically.
Yeah. So we need to hide TV unit, but we are writing rule for hiding sofa dimensions, right? So then what should be the
Right.
condition?
Always true. Okay.
No. See the operator. Click on the operator values. You will get an idea.
Where is it
Operator
operator?
value. In the condition itself, in that row, the second column, third column. Yeah.
So when not equal to sofa, yes.
And
Then we
one
have
more
to,
thing. Observe the
yeah.
values. It's not just sofa or
Mm-hmm.
sofa. Empty or sofa. Something else is there. Click on it. See,
We have
two
to remove
checkboxes
this.
got selected. So
Yeah.
we should check only with sofa, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. When
Yeah,
is sofa is it is not
not
sofa,
there.
then yeah, it has to
Yeah,
be
yeah.
hide.
It can be empty, it can be TV, or it can be anything.
Right.
If it is
Yeah,
not
it can be.
sofa, we just don't want this. Yeah.
Yeah, if it is not
So
sofa, yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh.
yeah, yes. Uh, we don't need any other columns here for this use case. So just come down and create it. Add,
Okay.
update
But
at the
hide
bottom.
the
Yeah.
dimension sofa, we have see this is a rule name. Okay.
Yes.
And this is the item name.
Yes.
What is the sofa
That is
dimension is a
sorry.
field name.
That
Okay.
that is not item name. Whatever in the condition part we say that is attribute name.
The sofa dimensions which we created is an attribute, right? Okay.
Yeah, that is also
Mm.
attribute, but in the condition part also living furniture items, that is also attribute.
Okay.
We shouldn't say
Yeah,
that as item.
yeah, this is
Yeah,
an
yeah,
item.
it is just an attribute. Yeah, it is just an
Uh, uh,
attribute. It's not an item
attribute.
or part in CPQ because in
No, no, no.
CPQ this item or part is
Yeah,
confined to the end
got it.
products what we are going to sell.
Mm-hmm.
You can assume
So
item
it's
and part
attribute.
like keyword.
Keywords. Okay.
Yeah. You won't get any errors if you use it, but we will be like deviate. We will be mixing up the logic when we talk to
Right,
others. So if we say
right.
item or part, they will think, oh, these are the end products we are going to sell from the configuration. They will think like that.
So yeah.
Yeah. So this is just an attributes. Yeah.
Hmm.
So to hide software dimensions, did we do everything we need? Are we good?
I think only deployment is required.
Yeah.
Uh,
Let's come down and click on update and back. Yeah. So now we are good with software dimensions attribute, when to show, when to hide.
right.
What
So
about
same
TV
time,
set?
yeah, TV set also we have to add another role.
Yes.
Okay, simple true. So add row.
Uh, Let me see there once. Why are we not getting drop down options?
Initially we
Uh,
got, now I don't.
no, see, whatever, see the attribute, which one you put?
TV set. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I should choose a different one. What is this?
Whatever the
Li
attribute we are dependent on, that we need to
living,
use.
yeah, living
Yeah.
furniture.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now we have to add role here. Which one we need to hide? Yeah, I think that's it.
Yes. Yeah. Just click add and then update.
Update and back.
Yes. What else we need to do?
So deploy.
Yes.
Deploy. Yes.
So after deploying here, so what is this level?
This product family level.
Okay. So after deploying at product family level, so do we need to
Hmm.
deploy anything else?
Maybe at a home page level, do we need to? That's what I still have a little bit confusion, like when to develop deploy at a home page. So we are
Okay.
configure. Yeah.
Okay. So simple concept. See, we have, so there are many other deployment areas, but so far we came across two deployment areas, right?
Mm-hmm.
One is at product family level, one is at
Mm-hmm.
home page level.
Right.
Okay. Uh, Now, simple thing is hierarchy.
Mm-hmm.
Think in terms of or talk in terms of hierarchy only. If there are any hierarchical changes, deploy at
Okay.
home page level.
But now there is no change in hierarchy level, right?
Yes, everything is same. Product family is same, product lines are same, models are same. We just created attributes in the model, we just created layout changes in the model, we just created rules in the model. So it will it affect hierarchy? No, right?
No, it won't affect.
That
But
is the
only
same
that.
product line, same product family, same model. Everything is same. No change in the hierarchy.
But the fields
So
are
if it,
affecting it the home page, right?
no, that is not home page.
Okay.
Just pause in this page. Just
hmm
click on the previous page. Yeah, tab. So now simply click on the home icon.
So it refresh.
Yeah. See, this is the home page.
Mm-hmm.
Once you
Yeah,
click
this is the
your model button, whatever the page you are showing up, it is showing up. That is not
mm-hmm.
home page. That is your configuration layout.
Mm-hmm.
That is your
Configuration.
configuration flow. You are creating configuration flow rules as well, right?
Right.
So in the
So now,
beginning, it used to throw an error at the top.
hmm right.
There is no page
So
to
when we have
display like that. Yeah,
right,
yeah. So this is your page which you created. This is not home
con
page.
yeah, this is a configuration flow.
Yeah, yes. Home page is just when you click on that house icon, whatever it comes up, that is the home page. Only your hierarchical changes will reflect there. In case of any hierarchical changes, you need to apply at home page level.
hmm So, but here,
Otherwise,
okay,
you don't
the
need.
line. Yeah. So now we added a conditions. How we added conditions. So when the living furniture item value is sofa,
Yeah.
okay, then not equal to sofa, then we should hide the TV set. No, no, not equal to, then it has to show TV dimensions. The same way, vice versa also we did it actually. When the living furniture item value equal to TV dimensions, then sofa should be disappear. Okay. So, but
Yes.
now I don't see the other field.
Yeah.
TV set.
Did we deploy?
Yeah, we deployed it.
Okay. Uh, can you open again?
Yeah, something wrong. I think maybe you're chasing
Yeah, just click on home page again. Let's test from the beginning.
here.
Yeah, home page. Okay, our model. Okay,
Okay.
why TV set dimensions is still showing up? Okay, let's go to that rule. TV set dimensions. Yeah, product family. Sofa is hiding. That's fine. It should hide because we didn't select any value in the drop down. But let's see the second hiding attributes. Okay, TV set dimensions. Second rule. Second rule is active. That's fine. And what else? TV equals to. Where is the
Uh,
condition?
actually, non-equals.
Yeah.
Update and back, right?
Yes.
Okay. We have to deploy again.
Yes.
So in the real time also, like you see these many models, like product families.
Yes. Yes. No. 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 Not these many product families. Models. Yes.
Models, yes, but yeah, product family obviously 2 or 3 year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hardly. Yes. Yes. In most of the cases, you will be sufficed with one product family only because whoever the client will be there, they will be having one set of business, and in that only they will do segregations.
Hmm.
Very rarely you get multiple product families. I mean, this is my observation so far. Models,
Okay.
you will see lot of number. I seen situations of 100 models also.
Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, models will be there because yeah, definitely
Yeah,
because there may be different products, right? Yeah.
yeah. After selecting, we need to click update.
So
Yeah,
for damage,
change it. Okay, okay.
TV
Let's
set
empty it.
damage.
Yeah, TV set is came up. Yeah.
Hmm.
So this is
Okay.
how we can use a hiding rule.
Hmm. Yeah.
So let's get back to our hiding rules again. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's choose
Mm-hmm.
one role first role. Click on it, right click on it, and open it in the new tab.
You want to open new tab? Okay.
Okay. So now
Mm-hmm.
this is there. So let's get back to the previous tab. So here, click on add again. That means we are writing a new rule.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what we'll do is from the other tab, take all the content in the introduction section and action part as well.
Mm-hmm.
Just create how it is, same.
Same rule name and everything.
Rule name you need to tweak because variable name should be different, right? Duplicate or you can say to be meaningful, advanced, ADV, you can put ADV. V for van, advanced.
ADV. Okay.
Yes, yeah. And the action part as well. Ignore condition part,
Mm-hmm.
action part. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So now in the condition part, what we'll do is we don't need always true anyhow. We
Mm-hmm.
already tried simple condition as well. So now let's go with advanced condition. Yeah. Click on the
Okay.
button.
Okay.
Yeah. So now go to our old tab, like the simple condition tab. Yeah. So this is our condition. So far we used UI help to search for attributes, to put operators, everything on the UI. So now we need
Mm-hmm.
to write the same in the terms of code. The code is nothing but BML, Big Machines Language.
Mm-hmm.
So in Big Machines Language, we need to write the code.
Okay.
So whatever the language you have, like you are into other languages as well, right?
Yeah, I know SQL and PL SQL.
Okay. Like do will there be coding? Like I'm not sure. So it is the query language, right?
Yeah, it's a query language and coding also there. In a PL SQL, coding will be there. SQL is only the
Acha.
query,
Okay. Okay.
like if
Yeah.
else, all these kind of things.
Okay. So can you try to write this line in the other tab uh, in your PLSQL, whatever you think?
Okay. So here, this is a field name. Living furniture is a field name.
Yeah.
Can we copy?
You can search. You can add it there in this editor in the top attributes tab.
Okay.
Click on add row. Yeah. Search for
Okay.
that attribute name. Yeah, after selecting the attribute, click on the right side cell as well. Yeah. So now click on down arrow, blue color down arrow. It will put your variable name. That's how you can use
Okay.
the field here.
Yeah. Yeah. So I don't know if living furniture value what we do equal to sofa example. If
Okay.
else we basically write it. Okay.
Okay.
So um, equal to example. I'll write it in
Okay.
my way.
Okay.
Sofa.
Okay.
Then what is okay display action maybe. Okay.
Yeah.
Display. What is this attribute is
Uh,
um,
sofa dimensions. But we need to change the condition here. Not
yeah.
equals to sofa. Then we need to display. Sorry, equals to sofa. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Display, right? Yeah.
Uh,
I thought hide.
this
Yeah. Display
yeah,
sofa. Yeah.
okay.
Sofa dimensions.
Sofa
Then, yeah.
dimensions. Okay. Or we use like this. Okay. Else if okay. Else if is like same TV unit. Then same like a display TV unit.
Okay.
Okay. Else
Yeah. Yeah.
hide kind of a thing.
Yeah.
Else don't display anything. Okay. Or null.
Yeah. Yeah.
So either okay and end if is okay end if. So here but else part is important. Okay. Do
Yeah.
so what we do is we do null like that.
Yeah. So we are good with the logic here.
Yeah.
But to fit this or to match the editor what we are in, the place where we are in, and also to match with the BML, we need to do
Mm-hmm.
little tweaks here. One thing,
Mm-hmm.
the main thing we can say is, for example, if you see line number one is your condition and line number two is your action, right?
Mm-hmm. Easy action. Yes.
Yeah. So see the other tab, go to the other tab, what we have simple condition. Yeah. Here, instead of simple condition, we click the advanced condition. That means whatever is there in condition, just only we need to write in the advanced condition. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Action part is already there in the third section.
Okay.
So go to the code again.
Mm-hmm.
Delete
So
the action line. No,
okay.
no, not
Count.
everything. Just delete the action lines.
Okay.
Yeah. Also fourth line. Because here we don't need to tell what is the action.
Okay.
Yeah. Action is in the third section. Only conditions we need to put in. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now we got rid of the burden of handling the actions here, right? The code became more
Mm-hmm.
simple now. One
Yeah.
more
So
thing,
actually. Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Okay. So action we are not okay. We already confirmed that what action to be taken. So
yes,
we are only writing the condition. Okay, got
yes,
it.
yes, yeah. So one more
So it
thing
has to
is,
be so function should return as a boolean, true or false. It,
yes,
it basically returns the true and false.
yes, yes,
Okay, so I think even this is also not required.
yes, because we are only confined to when to hide sofa.
Right. Example like this.
Yeah. So now,
Ret- uh
uh, when to hide sofa. That means what should be the condition?
When to hide a sofa.
Condition.
Um, when the TV unit is the
You can check in the other
living
tab.
furniture item. Yeah, when living furniture item is true is equal to TV unit.
No. Just go to there.
Yeah.
See what did we write?
So not equal to. So
Yeah.
living furniture not equals to sofa. Then we are
Hiding sofa.
hiding the sofa,
The
right?
same thing we can write here. If we are checking with equals to TV set, then we also need to check for empty also.
Hmm. Right.
So in that case, simply we can check with not equals to sofa. It can be empty, it can be TV set, it can be anything, any other furniture as well.
Is it the same
Yeah.
operator we use?
No, here it's a
Okay.
different one. So
Okay.
now this is the condition. If living attribute not equals to sofa, then
Mm-hmm.
here we don't need to tell action. We just need to tell this editor if the condition
Mm-hmm.
satisfies or not. To
Mm-hmm.
tell that, you can see a line above. Function should return type boolean.
Yeah.
From this whole
From here.
logic, only value that can go out is either true or false.
Correct.
So what we need to do if our condition met, what is our condition? This attribute not equals to sofa, then what it should do? Action hide sofa, right?
Right. So false.
So our
So.
matching condition, for our matching condition, we need to put return true.
Mm-hmm.
So in the second line, what you can do is return. Return is the keyword. So this keyword will identify what is the value that can go out of this editor.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, return true. And every line we end with semicolon. Similar to C
Mm-hmm.
language or some other languages, we end with semicolon. So now, whenever we write these keywords, you can assume this as a function, if function, okay? So when we
Mm-hmm.
say function, we know basic structure. What is the basic structure? Function name followed by parenthesis.
Right.
So here also if should be followed by parenthesis, open bracket and close bracket after if.
After if.
Yeah, after if, put
Like
open
this.
bracket and close bracket. Yeah, yeah.
So if
And
is a function, you mean to say like
yes, 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 yes.
okay.
In that in that parenthesis, generally functions can have parameters, right?
Right.
So in that function, what we'll do, we'll send our condition as a parameter.
Okay. So you
So
mean to say
our
like
condition, yeah. Cut the first line. Okay, yeah. In the brackets, what you can do is again
uh-huh.
import the attribute by clicking the blue arrow at the top. Yeah. So what is our condition? If this attribute is not having sofa value, right?
Right.
Yeah. To write the not equals to, how we'll write is less than, greater than symbol, side by side. Yes, this is not equals to condition, not equals to operator.
Mm-hmm.
Not equals to
So
what is the value? Sofa, right?
so so far.
Yeah.
So far
We
is a
should write
single
the
quote.
value of, yeah. For sofa, we can't write it as a simple string. So we should
Mm-hmm.
match this with the option variable name of that attribute. Where can we
Right.
find the option variable names? We should go
Living
to,
furniture. Mm-hmm.
yeah, that attribute. We should go to that attribute and see what is the option variable name.
This one you meant to say.
This is the label name. We need to find the
Okay.
option variable name. So we need to go to the attribute editor first.
Okay. So here bracket like there is a
Yes,
inside value.
yes, yes. Whatever is there in that square brackets, that is the option variable name.
Right. Okay.
So we can
So
write
far.
that in the condition. Yeah, all caps so far.
A single quotes or double quotes required.
Double quotes. Here we will use double quotes for string. Yeah. So now, after the if condition, we have a syntax called flower bracket open.
Okay. Flower bracket open. Which one?
Yeah,
Okay. Again, like this.
yeah, yes, yes. And in
Mm-hmm.
the next line, close the flower bracket. So
Okay.
whatever is
Inside.
there in between these flower brackets, it will do, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So click one more enter after first line. Yeah. So this is our condition. Now what we should tell to the system?
So yeah, we if it is not equal to so far, then we have to
Yeah.
return it true.
Yeah. Yeah, because why we are returning true? Because this is the condition what we want for our action part.
Action part, yes. Action we have already selected field.
Yes, action we already
So,
selected.
mm,
Yeah. So this is, we feel this is the apt condition when that action should run. So
hmm.
that's why we are returning it as true. This is my
Okay.
condition. You can say if this is the situation, you can return true because this is my, for this condition only, for this situation only, my action part
Hmm.
should run.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So now we can simply return true. Return keyword as it is written, word in small
So,
letters.
okay.
Yes, space and
Space.
boolean value. True or false? True. We need to write. True, you can write in small letters also. That's not
Hmm.
a problem. Yeah. So after every line, we should end with semicolon. Yeah.
Okay.
We didn't keep because in the first line and third line, they are not the complete sentences, right? Complete
Hmm.
statements. Yeah, that's why
Yeah.
we put semicolon at the second line. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
This.
now,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah. So we wrote this condition. That's fine. But
Hmm.
what if we run into a situation of uh, this else, this if will fail?
Yeah. It's empty.
Yeah,
Empty
we should
value.
also tell we should also tell the system that if my condition satisfies, you will return true. But what if my condition won't satisfies? That also we should tell to the system to handle it because it will throw error if we won't tell it. Simply click on
Uh,
validate, you will see. Click on validate at the bottom. This is not a complete logic. See, return statement missing. We wrote return
okay.
statement. By why it is saying if in case this if won't run, there won't be any return statement, right?
Right. So,
That's
okay.
right.
So
So
we
in
should
the
have also yeah.
else
So we have
keyword,
to write else. Else.
yeah,
Okay.
open flower bracket and close flower bracket. Within that, return false.
Is it?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
And do we need a semicolon?
Yeah. Yeah. We need semicolon after. No. 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 After return false. Yes. This you can write in the single line, or you can write in the multiple lines as well to make sure your code is looking beautiful and identified.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So that it
now,
will.
yeah.
It
One
will.
more thing we can do is, yeah, it won't throw error now. Yeah.
Hmm.
One more thing we can do is ifs can also exist independently, right?
Okay.
If can also exist independently, but as here we don't have any other return function, it throwed an error.
Hmm.
It is not mandatory that you whenever you are using if you should also use else. That's why you wrote else, right? It is not the case.
Mm.
Just
Right.
because we don't have another return statement, we wrote this in the else. So
Hmm.
to making that true, to making that justify that statement, so we can also do one more thing. So you can simply
Hmm.
remove else and open bracket and close bracket. Remove else part of the fourth line. Keep the return statement.
Okay. Like
Brackets as well.
this.
Yeah, brackets as well.
Oh, brackets
Fourth
also
line.
not required.
Yeah, yeah, yes. Validate this.
Yeah, I think
Are we good?
validated.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now what the system is expecting, if our condition satisfies, it will return true.
Mm-hmm.
Earlier, if it won't satisfy, there is no return statement. But after writing else, it found a return statement. That's why it didn't true. It didn't throw any error. So now
Mm-hmm.
also, if you see, if the else is not, if, sorry, if the if block is not executing, we also have one more return statement. That's why system is not bothered. Either you
Mm-hmm.
keep it in else or either you put it in daily, sorry, straightforwardly, the return statement. It doesn't matter.
Right.
System bought at any point of time one return statement.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if it is if else, those are the only two possibilities that can logic can expect, if or else. So in the else, you wrote your return statement. Now also, this fourth line is an always written, always true. This fourth line will execute always, right? So that's why
Okay.
it found one return statement. But this fourth line won't execute if you get
Already
into your
written.
if.
Yeah. If you already get into the written, like
If,
see if
yeah,
statement,
yes,
yeah, obviously
yes,
then
yes, yes. Yes. Yeah. Are
Okay.
we good with the code?
Yeah, we are good.
Yeah.
So, but how do
Yeah.
we handle a space like empty space? So that is not so far only we are returning
Yeah. We
true.
don't need our use case don't need to handle empty space because we are just bothered about the sofa word. If it is not there, uh, we will hide it. Or else
Okay.
you can write one more condition. Okay. Do one thing. So copy the if block 1, 2, 3 lines.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, After three, enter and paste it. After three, third line, enter and paste. So we will write the condition in other way, but it is not complete and best practice. Why I will say at the end. Okay. So instead of
Mm-hmm.
living not equals to so far, let's write remove not equals to,
Mm-hmm.
put double equals to.
Mm-hmm.
Double equals to here, syntactically the comparison operator, equals to is assignment operator here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Double equal
So
is equal to. Mm-hmm.
yeah. So now instead of sofa, what we need to write? TV. And what is the other option we have? Empty, right?
Mm.
Empty,
Empty.
TV, sofa. These are the three options, right?
Right.
Yeah. So what you will do is in the if itself, after TV unit double quotations, give space and write capital and. Yeah. So now copy all this if block, like whatever is the living furniture is equal to TV unit, copy it and put it after and. So replace TV unit with empty. So empty, how we can write is just remove TV unit part in that and leave the quotations as it is. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
We don't need to put space because space will be treated as one more character. So
Mm-hmm.
we just need to leave double quotations without space. It
Okay.
indicates empty value. So
Empty
now see the
value.
condition. If living furniture equals to TV unit, oh, we shouldn't keep and. We should keep and or here. And is wrong, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, because one attribute can't have possess multiple values at the same time. That's why and is not correct. So or we should use. So TV item,
Yeah.
sorry, living furniture items equals to TV unit or living furniture items equals to empty. Then also you can hide. That's why you are returning true.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Is
But
this what you are
I
asking?
but this is not required actually.
Yeah,
So
yeah. This
whether
is
it is
not.
a yeah.
Yeah, this is not required, and this is also not complete. Is it true?
Com uh, Either this value equal to empty value return true. Okay. Yeah,
Will
this
this
is
be a
correct one.
complete logic?
Yeah, complete logic only.
What if in case future some other furniture item comes into that drop down?
Yeah, in the future, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So this is future proof. The first one what we write is future proof.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. This is the first one is anything, irrespective.
Yeah,
It is not
yeah,
so far.
yeah,
Anything comes up only it
yeah.
returns to.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Mm. Yeah. The second
So
value,
this
yeah.
way, sorry.
Mm. Yeah. This is not required
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
not full also. Yeah.
Yes, we can get rid of it. Yeah, yeah. Save it. 7
Okay.
close. We can use. Yeah.
So, so far dimensions when so far not equal to so far. Okay. So okay.
Yeah, we can simply come down and click on add and then update it.
So now these are the two conditions, right?
No, we wrote only one condition.
No, what I mean to say that we have three conditions here.
Yeah, yeah. So
So
now,
height.
as we
Uh-huh.
handled advanced condition in the third rule, we don't need the
Mm,
help of first rule.
right. This is not required.
So yeah, so no, don't delete. Uh, just click drop down status and inactivate it. So that is one more option we have.
Right. Yeah.
So
Update.
simply click update here. Yeah.
Okay.
So now even the first rule is existing, it
Yes.
won't run because it is inactive state.
Inactive state. Yeah. That's good.
Yeah. So now we can deploy and see the output whether it is working as earlier or not. So my intention is to just to also tell you like advanced part how it will be for the same condition.
Yeah.
So like how about PLSQL? It is also like similar to other programming languages. It will have everything.
Yeah. But not equal to same like C, C++, Java. But
Oh,
almost you can understand it very easily.
acha, like whatever the coding things we have, the facilities or features or functions or actions what we
Yeah.
can do. So everything will be there in the PLSQL as well.
Yes. Same. Actions in
Acha,
the sense, see, it only executes actually. It has a backend,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
It
yes,
runs in a backend.
yes, yes,
Backend.
yes,
So like
yes.
either you can return it if it is a
Yeah.
procedure or function. Either you have to return it or you execute call another program. Only two
Okay. Yeah, I
options.
meant to say like whatever the functions we do, like we deal with arrays, we deal with dictionaries, we deal with whatever JSONs, everything we can do, right?
Yeah, we can do everything. Yes.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it allows JSON also. Arrays we have.
Okay.
Yeah, arrays, nested loops. All the concepts are there now.
Okay. So in that case, you just need to learn syntax here because you're already into those things.
Yeah, only just syntaxing. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Did we
So
deploy?
how complex? Yeah, no, not
So
yet. Yeah, deploy is completed. Yeah.
you're saying something?
So now coming to the configuration, this is the
Okay.
coding.
Okay.
So so it is very much important, right? The coding part.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. TVC damage.
Yeah.
Okay. So this. Okay.
Yeah, this is about a hiding rule and writing multiple hiding rules and how to use a simple condition and how to use an advanced condition as well.
Mm-hmm. But we have so many, right, Karthik? So here also we can add attributes, right? Actions, recommendations, constraint.
Yes,
Uh,
all these will
okay.
belong to your product line.
Product line level. So back to if I see that.
Here also you will see these all will belongs to product family level.
Mm-hmm. So okay. Rule summary, integrations, without access control, bills of material. Yeah. But 20-25 days will be completed.
uh, like to cover the concepts we can complete whatever is there in the training content but
Uh-huh.
to tell the coding like more things like practicing more about coding it
Mm-hmm.
won't be sufficient. That's why like just BML will go as part along with this training content but not as a separate
Yeah.
module. So if you want to
Okay.
practice BML, so how it goes is like you should mostly concentrate on writing rules, taking the use cases, putting some complex conditions, dealing with HTML attributes, dealing with how to form HTML attributes, how to split HTML attribute content. So all these things
Mm-hmm.
like that will be a like some people how they come is they just need BML. They don't need
Mm-hmm.
anything.
Only people,
Uh,
they look the people who are the only BML experts, you mean to
yeah,
say.
yeah. So yeah, so that how they is they're also they're aware of the tool. The thing is They just
Mm-hmm.
want different use cases, and they just want to write code in every possible area in the tool. For example,
Mm-hmm.
we just wrote code in a hiding attribute, right?
Right,
Similarly, we can
right.
write in recommendation rule, constraint rule, and recommended items, and uh, bomb related rules, and configure commerce related actions,
Mm-hmm.
all these areas. So they just bothered about writing logic.
Right, right. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Taking one value and splitting into two values, sometimes you
yes,
merge the
yes,
two values into
yes,
single value. And
yes,
okay.
yes.
Yeah,
We
I
also
think
have
yes.
around 200 default functions in the BML language. Not 200, but around 200. Yeah, it can be 180 or 200 something. So we
Mm-hmm.
should be knowing. It is always good to know about as many functions as we can,
Mm-hmm.
because in that case, what we will have, what it will happen is it will reduce the burden on coding.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't
Yeah,
know that about default function, so you need to write your own logic there.
right. Yeah, definitely right. Yeah.
Yeah,
The same function
yeah,
they already created. If you know how to leverage it, it's always better. Otherwise, you have
yes,
to
yes,
create your own.
yes, yes. Like that, there are around nearly almost 200 functions are there.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, if
Mm.
we talk about two or three functions in a particular class and practice it, so it will take a lot of days. Yeah,
Right. So how can I get those list of the function? Maybe I'll go through uh, when I have some free
we
time.
can see in the editor. Just go to the rule what we where we write. Just go to our rule. Yeah, open any of the rule. Click on advanced. Yeah, advanced button. Edit the BML function. So go to the tab. First tab at the top. Second tab, function wizard.
Function wizard. Okay.
Yeah, here you will see categories. You can simply select all functions instead of categories. In the right side drop down, you will see all the list.
Okay. Okay. It off.
I believe these are almost near to 200.
Mm-hmm. Converts
Yeah,
the text that represents the number into a float number. Okay. Yeah, these are
yeah.
very important.
Yeah, whatever if we wrote, this if is also part of that list.
Mm-hmm.
You can simply search if in that A to I, so you will see whether it's there or not. Okay? Yeah, it's there.
Okay. You have if else also. If condition expression, then statements. Okay. So what is the parenthesis? Okay. Statement description. Okay. Yeah, this will help me. No need to teach each and everything. Probably
Yeah,
one or two major things will talk actually.
yeah, yeah,
So meantime, if you want me to explore, just let me know. So by the time I'll be prepared for this one. So I'll also see some
sure.
use cases and try to hide and other things. Any other things you want me to go through?
Uh, no, like
Actually,
as I'm covering the sessions like area wise, topic wise. So
mm,
meanwhile, you go through these functions as a homework along with
okay.
whatever the practical thing what we do in the session.
Hmm.
Just try one or two examples, and meantime, the other time you can spend exploring this function wizard.
Okay, sure. I'll do that
Yeah,
because I think function is very important.
yeah,
Okay, but only I need to find out some use cases. Okay, I'll find it out.
yeah.
Hmm? Okay, good. Any other things?
Uh, no, for now we are good. If you have any questions, we can you can ask.
No, I think I'm good for today.
Okay, okay. So in that case, we can connect tomorrow.
Yeah,
As I said earlier, if I have some free time, I'll try to ping you later point of day. If not, let's connect tomorrow.
sure. Okay, done. Sure, Karthik.
Yep.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. Yep. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.